Martin here from FU Fishing and More. Been a long time between videos and I'm sorry about that, but nothing I could do about it. We did get out last week, but the camera played up and we got rained on for half the morning. We caught about 10 whiting down the Caboolture River, but yeah, it wasn't a real good morning. Everything went wrong. But anyhow, and today, well, everything's against us up here today. It's not much run in the tide. We've had a lot of rain and it's about 33 degrees, so it's going to be hot. But anyhow, as I dug yabbies yesterday, I'm going to go down and have a bit of a try and see how we go. And you can all come along with me, and hopefully we'll catch a feed of whiting. It'll be interesting to see whether they're here after all the rain. And they haven't been here, and even before the rain they weren't here because the water's been too hot. And I'm just hoping that the rain has cooled the water off a little bit and they are here. So but anyhow, there's only one way to find out, and that's to go and try. The old track's grown up a little bit. Goes to show how long since I've been here. I normally keep this cleared down here. Keep the bracken fan back off the edge of it. It's annoying actually because it gets caught in your line as you walk past. Yeah. Like I said, it's going to be interesting to see if the whiting are down here. By all reports, it's been a pretty tough whiting season in places. I think the main trouble is the water temperature. Too high. We seem to have a increase in the northern species down here all the time too, which I don't mind that. It's bearable and doable. I'll just stop here and put you down on my chest. I haven't got enough hands to operate everything. All those that watch my videos will know where I am. Just up here at White Patch, one of my favourite land-based spots. And this is the Abbey bank. Normally get all my abbies on. It's certainly warm down here. Same as always. And if you're not sure what that is, just go back through my videos. I just about explain it on every one that I do. And if you enjoy these videos, I know I haven't done any for a while. I try to keep them informative, hoping you people gain something out of them that you can use, and share them with your friends. Subscribe and like if you enjoy them, and like to know when I put up another one. If you haven't already subscribed, that is. I'd just like to thank those that have. It is gratefully appreciated. Gives me some sort of indication of what you enjoying and what you're not. Leave a comment. But, that water's relatively, real clear considering the we had 6 inches in just over 24 hours. Heaps of bait fish here. Actually, there's whiting too by the look of it. Just this bait bill up a bit, otherwise I'll hobble myself. Something's flashing in the water there. I don't know whether it's mullet or whiting. Looks like it could be whiting. And when the water's real clear like this, don't try to get too close. They are spooked from a long way off. Some days worse than others. Plenty of gar. Long time out there. The water's warm, but too warm. A lot warmer than what I like it. I'll be glad to see this summer over with, actually. There's whiting just sitting just up there. Whether they'll take a bait or not, we'll see. Took the head off. Good whiting sign. A lot of bait must have been washed out with the fresh further up. Like I said, this is just a reconnaissance run. If I don't go today, we won't get a chance for another couple of days because apparently there's more big winds and more rain coming. Just what we didn't need. No real flashes. You just see fish and think, oh, mullet. I don't know whether you can see it on the camera, but just down here in front of me there's a gap in the sandbank, on the sandbank where between the weed where it goes out to deeper water there. We'll just try that, and if not, we'll go a little bit further up. Bit of snotweed around. Don't ever try to fish with that on your bait, because if you've got a bit of that on your bait, nothing will go near it. Must taste bloody terrible. I can't tell you how good it is to be out here having a fish again. Been way too long. Fish will just be a bonus today, that's for sure. One little whiting. Yeah, well, where there's little whiting, hopefully there's big whiting. There was a cluster of them just there, right on the end of that sandbank. They're only little blokes. I thought we'd found them, but that's better than what we did. We'd come all the way down there, right down along those sandbanks there. Only lost a bait to garfish. So next week I reckon this will fire. I thought I was a bit premature coming down here today, but like I said, Long time since I've had a fish, or for me, at any rate. Oh, this might be all right. They're getting bigger. Tides are all against us today too, because I think there's only about 40 centimetres run from a 0.8 to 1.2 or something like that, I think it is, which is not very much. And the old saying, no run, no fun. Little bloke's back there again. Oh, that was sharp. I think they're all little blokes in that. Little tiny fellas. But could have just as easily been bigger ones. Like I say, you got to get up and try. And I've been sitting down for too long, not through any fault of my own. Doctor's orders, as they say. We tried to do a few things a little bit too early too, which didn't help any. Further, there's just a little whiting there and gar. Surprising the amount of gar that are up here. One flat edge is all I'd like, which keep me happy. A big flounder on just there. Do you think he'd take it again? Buggier. He's a good flounder too. Dropped off, wasn't hooked. Oh well, keeps it interesting. I was going to fish these sandbanks here, but it's not going to happen today. Anyone that's had a complete thyroid removal will understand why. We're just too exhausted at the moment to do it. Well, that might be it, I think. There's only one spot right along this bank that I saw whiting flashing, and we caught a couple of little fellas there. But the big whiting just aren't here yet. It's either the water's too warm or because of all that rain. The other factor today is there's no run in the tide. Anyhow, I came down, I tried. That's the main thing. got the head in the right spot. That's what fishing is for me. It been cooped up too long, going sour on the world. But anyhow, we're down here today and it's beautiful just to be here. Yeah, we'll wander back here. Might have a couple of casts up on this other sandbank back here. We'll see how we go. If I do, I'll turn you back on. If not, I thank you all for watching. There wasn't much action in this one, I can assure you, but I'll probably put a little bit of a funny section on the end of this, which I took last week before the camera, or after the camera stuffed up. We sorted it out, and when I was cleaning fish, I thought I'd pull the mickey out of the wife. Yeah, we'll see whether he put that up or not. I don't know. It might get me in the bad books for a month. Okay, see all you good people later. Maybe next week, a little bit of luck. If we don't get too much more rain, there's a little bit more rain coming on the weekend. But if we don't get too much out of it, I'll try and get a trip down the Caboolture River. The whiting should be back in by then. They're not here yet. There was only that one patch where I saw the flashes. Okay. Bye now. This morning's effort, which wasn't bad, considering. The part that most people don't like about fishing, cleaning, doesn't worry me. I wonder how many thousands of these I've done.
I don't know, be a lot.
Be a bloody lot. I just trying to work out how many years I've been fishing.
Oh, a lot of years. Way before I knew you.
11. I started when I was 12. When I was 11, I started. Saltwater fishing.
With your grandfather and that.
Yeah, 11. What am I now? 70, 74, so close to it, or 73.
Yeah,
74.
73.
73, and minus 11, that's 60, 61. 61 years.
Yep. And Joe loves eating the scales.
He's a good fish.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure that was mine.
That was yours?
I don't know.
Everyone was today.
I got 2 pony fish.
Eh?
I got 2 pony
Two
fish.
ponies. The one they wanted to Winnie.
Yeah. Yes, smart Alec. I've got to stop believing what you say.
I'll have to ring Irene back and tell her that one to sign.
Sure, wait till this.
We just give the whiting a scale and then I'll put them in the fridge and whoop, a few scales left on him. Do them later when it cools down a bit.
Yeah, too hot.
Geez, the water's warm.
Yeah.
if you scale them straight away when you take them out of the ice cold water, scales come off easy. Let them dry out, it's a different story. It makes hard work of it. How old do you reckon that fish is, Dom?
10 years?
10 years?
Yeah.
He was born in 2021.
Oh. How do
Look,
you know?
see? His date?
Very. Jazz. Jazz. You better stop recording.